Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time. Today I am doing something from Malaysia that someone sent me. Let me show you. I think this will probably be review, 3055. So you'll get to see the full review and everything when it comes out. Basically, all you got to do is go on Google, type in the Ramen Rater space, either the name of this or like 3055. It should be around there. But this is Mamee Doubledecker, which is a big popular company in Malaysia. They make like Mamee Chef and Mamee Monster snack noodles. And it's a combination between them and Shinsegae, which is like a high-end South Korean store chain. And this is the DAEBAK spicy fried chicken. Now I'm sure you're like, oh, this is looks like you know, fire noodle challenge stuff. And indeed, Miles is here today, so we are going to do a fire noodle challenge with this. I don't think he'll eat any of it, but that's okay. But on the back it says Parisa ayam, which is chicken, goreng pedas, which is spicy fried. So it's spicy fried chicken flavor. And you cook it in 500 mils of water for 4 to 5 minutes. Add in 6 spoons, or drain it, and then put back in 6 spoons of water. Sounds kind of familiar. And then stir fry for 1 minute, and then you're good. Or you gotta put in the flavoring. Yeah, I'm like, huh. The water's, come on. It's gonna be one of those days. The water's almost to a boil, so I say, okay, let's do this in. Cut the bottom off. And get that noodle block where it needs to go. Curious what all's in here. What's so rad, the guy who sent it, a fellow by name Mode or Shafi, not so great with the direct, the whole thing with names in Asia all the time. So please forgive me. But he packed it in a box, and when I opened the box, one noodle block going in the pot, and five to 6 minutes. I'm gonna go for 5:20. But anyways, when I opened the box, I've been to Malaysia, and it smelled like Malaysia. I'm not kidding. I mean, it was like he used a bunch of plastic bags to hold. Come on. Oh, for the guy who likes to watch me cook. Yeah. I don't see a lot of food in this here video series. You big jerk. Okay, alright. Hey. Well, I guess we get AC, which actually is fine, because it's actually warm in here now. Okay. Anyways, yeah. It boiled over, as it often will. Yeah. So yeah, that's cooking away. What's the big news of the day? They did the, God, what do you call it? The presidential text message. Did you get one of those? If you're in the US, you did, apparently. It was basically like an emergency alert system message saying, hey, this is a test. Has nothing to, the president doesn't send it. They confer with the White House, which, okay. But they call it the presidential alert system. So stupid. Why don't you just call it like the federal alert system? Because every article that I've read about it is calling it basically a federal alert system. So why don't we just call it that? I smell BS. Anyways. Very cold this morning. It was 35 when I got up, or when I took the dog out, which was around. It might have been that cold when I got up. I got up at 3:30, but I want to say 6:57. I took the dog out, and it was freaking cold. Oh my god! Oh my god! Cold as can be. Well, it could be colder, but cold enough, that's for sure. The noodles are cooking. There's another view of that. They're not boiling over anymore. Everything still seems to be cruising fine. And yeah. If you're wondering, why do you get up so freaking early? But these videos don't take a long time. It's the other videos that I do that take forever. And I do jump cuts all through them and condense them down. And this morning I finished the Chocolate Breaks Halloween Candy 2018 edition video. And that came out, if you're watching this, it's like the 24th of October, I'm guessing, 25th. That came out on the 4th. Yeah. So you can actually watch that currently and look at things that are Halloween related that were chocolate and a couple things that weren't. So that's kind of fun. Cruising in on the 1 minute mark, 1 minute until we drain and then add back in a little Scotia floof. We've got a veggies sachet. Was I supposed to put that in? I don't remember seeing anything about no veggie sachet. Add garnishing on top. Ooh. I'm enamored now. What could it be? Is it fried onion? Please tell me it's fried onion. And then here's the I'm guessing the ultra spicy stuff. It's funny though, if it's supposed to be South Korean, I'm guessing it's gonna be like buldak bokamyeon. And for me, it's like, that's cool, but kind of disappointing at the same time, because I really like Malaysian flavors. But if it's got, maybe it'll be like really, really nice and kind of a dual action satisfaction kind of thing, eh? Yeah. Alright. Gonna drain. Here we go. Alright, so the deal is, I don't know what kind of spoons they're using in this one. I've been guessing that they're talking about 15 milliliter Korean spoons. And if you save 6, that would be 90 milliliters, right? Yeah. So I think I got about that in there. I've been learning to eyeball amounts in imperial and metric. So you might be surprised, or you might not, that I have to deal with little amounts of measurements all the time, because I mean, oh, here you go, dude. Here. Yeah, can you see? There you go. Alright, going in there. Wow, this stuff is thick. Huh. I'm really confused. I'm not getting that bulldog kind of smell, and look at that. It is thick. But if it tastes exactly like bulldog, this will prove one thing. When it says mee goreng on the package, literally that doesn't mean you're going to get Indomie flavored stuff every time. Mee goreng just means fried noodles. There's no other thing going on. Alright, there we are. Alright, let's give it a stir. Oh, this smells totally different than... It smells very barbecue saucy, honestly. Like Western barbecue sauce. Alright, we're gonna do it in here for a short amount. Hoping I eyeballed enough liquid. Let's take a look here. We need like a little dash more. There we go. There, you can look at that. The excitement of watching me stir. Here, I'll even... Yeah, here we go. Look at me. Honestly, I think that's probably good. Give it a second, and then give it one more swizz. If you're one of the people who have just joined the series and you're wondering, why is he sitting in a chair? It's like, well, it's because I'm using a 360 cam. And this is a very, very small kitchen. So, yeah. I don't have to be in the chair. But if you want these videos to look and have any inkling of logic or proportion, you know, I'm going to give this a try really quick. And see what's going on here before I do any further garnishing. It says to throw that garnish on. Wow, I'm getting like interesting scents here. Like paprika. I guess we'll find out. Cheers. Nah, it's bulldog. Weird. Yeah, that's fire noodle kind of stuff. Oh, so gonna do it up fancy. Mung bean sprouts. You're gonna be like, that's not a real fire noodle challenge if you're adding that stuff to it. I'm like, I think I'm allowed. You know how many of these stupid fire noodle challenges I've done? Oh man. If you go into the playlist called Spicy Noodle Mukbang, that should give you an inkling. I think I've done like at least 50 of them by now, right? I've just kind of gotten sick of the whole Yeah, we'll just make a bowl of noodles. It'll be like boring looking. It won't have anything added in. It'll be spicy, sure, but all right, let's have a look at that. Okay, we got some noodles and some mung bean sprouts. We're also going to add in a wonderful egg. Oh, we've got our garnish. We'll try that last. Yes, it's okay. No, it's okay. I'm telling you, it's okay. Oh, well, that's not very pretty, is it? Well, honestly, I don't care how pretty it is. Ugly food is in. So let's give it a snip. Go like that. And to deal with the pretty factor, we'll just axe this part. There we go. You can be like, what up with that noodle, yo? What up with that egg? So I'm hoping this is fried onion, but I'm guessing after the flavor that I got, this is going to be seaweed, sesame seed, and no. It is not fried onion, folks. We've got these. Oh, what are these things called? It's fried wonton. Oh, no it's not. It just says condiments. That'll work. Those actually kind of taste like fried chicken. Okay. We got some spring onion. We're going to be pretty liberal with that because I want the green to set off the red in this bowl. And we got that, and then finally, it says mee goreng on the package. That's why it has to have my favorite topping as of late. Crispy fried onion. And there we go. I'm calling that a boat. A boat that will sail to happiness land. So there you go. So if you're in Malaysia and you go to the grocery store, you can find this. This is a Mamee product. If I hear somebody like go, dude, I've never heard of that, and I'm in Malaysia, that means you don't get out and go to the store. I swear to God. Go to Aeon, you know? Go to Giant there. And what's the other big one? That British one. You know what I'm talking. Tesco. Yeah. Go to those places. They got it. Definitely. Or go to Econ Save over take the ferry over to Butterworth and go to the Econ Save there. Yeah, that's good. That's a cool store. I have to take a little hop over some stuff, but it's a good store. I like it. All right. Well, again, thank you to Mode Shofi for sending this along. This is so cool, and I'm going to have fun doing this up with my son now. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, check out one of these. Lots of videos to see. Oh, yeah. I just keep doing them. I think this is like 100 and... This is in the teens now, right? 114 or something? Crazy business. All right. Have a good one. Later.